Welcome to the Bonnie and Barb Show. We talk about stuff that everyone wants to know. It's Bonnie.
It's Barb.
It's the Bonnie and Barb Show. We got Bonnie and Barb because it's the Bonnie and Barb Show. Oh, don't you know?
Hi, welcome to the Bonnie and Barb Show.
I'm Bonnie.
And I'm Barb. How are you guys doing today? Good.
Today's topic is actually, we're going to do a series, and it's about good parenting.
Yes, because we get compliments all the time on our children and just how well behaved they are. And we thought we would share with the rest of the world and how you can train your kids to be awesome too.
Right. So today's topic is going to be child leashes.
Yes, which we both have used.
Oh yeah, and still do.
Still do. And my daughter is 13 and she still needs a leash from time to time.
I mean, people think it's crazy, but you can't go in the mall and have them running around or like talking to their friends that you don't approve of.
Yeah, it's family time, people.
Yeah.
Bring them on in.
God. And I know that a lot of people frown upon it because they're like, why are you treating your child like a golden retriever? But you're really not. You know, it's so important.
And I love my golden retriever. She's part of the family too. So exactly. Obviously, if she can wear a leash, so can my children.
Exactly, because if you're walking in the park, you know, everybody's on a leash. Exactly. And that's really important.
Exactly. And then that way they don't get kidnapped.
Right.
Or molested.
Right.
Not if they're on a leash. Nope.
No, because you have them right there and you could just reel them back in if they're going too far.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta tug at them a little bit. They'll try and run away from you.
I know.
They'll cry, "No, mommy, please, not again, not the leash."
I know.
It hurts my neck.
I know, but you know,
they're just being babies about it.
I know. If you choke them a little bit, you know, then they'll understand.
Yeah.
When they get older,
they'll get it.
So this is the end of tip 1 with good parenting, and we wanted to thank you all for coming to the Bonnie and Barb Show. Follow us on Twitter and on YouTube and subscribe. And we can't wait for tip number 2.
Stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.